All right, there's a policeman there. Is this like some kind of police academy? Ooh, fried chicken, nice. Put it where the chopsticks go. That's a good idea right there. Yeah, purple rice. I'm not sure what the deal with purple rice. Why does everyone get purple rice? Curry? Green curry tastes terrible. Noodles? Okay, it looks spicy. Fish cake? That's alright. That's alright. I'm loving the K-pop Demon Hunters in the back. That's awesome. Yeah, I'd get one of those too. That's not so good. The kimchi, that looks a little bit too fresh, but still good. And some bean soup. Yeah, that's alright. It's alright. What? Fruit Loops? Why are there... Is this breakfast? What is the deal, man? And toast? Why is there toast? Oh man, this is all wrong. Okay, I'm giving this a 2 out of 10. Just that fried chicken to get a 2.